Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 10 TabMax, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture, and I will be using just the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible on the screen, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get a flash along with this pop-up of your image. Now we do have a couple options visible right here which do disappear and are a little bit covered by this stupid sticker, but I'm going to capture it once more, and we can see that there is a screen recording. We have scrollable screenshot, edit, delete, or share. And yeah, once you don't do anything with that pop-up, it will just go away. Now the screenshots that we have captured can be found in our Photos or Gallery application, whatever it's called, and it will be visible under in Moments, and the most recent ones right here. Or if you go into Albums, you will see that we do have Screenshot Album, and in here apparently we have 100 and something screenshots. But the most recent ones will be the ones that I have captured right now, as you can see. So there we go. So that's how you can capture your screenshot on this tablet, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.